Hi, I am Malik, as you know, and I have posted this to do one application for the some time, but I am back now. And so today onwards, I will be again start my to do one application. So my previous video, I had done the backend and the for the front end, I have set up my front end, and also I had done the registration part. So today I will implement the login part, and also so on. I will implement everything whatever requires. And also, if you want some more features and have some suggestion for me, so just feel free to comment out. Okay. So let's go to our code editor and let's get started. Yeah, so last time we have done the registration part. You can see I have handled the registration logic using the use user. So today I will going to handle the login part using the use step. Okay, so both are will be covered. Okay, from my side. So this is the word logic. Let me start the server. Let's okay. So terminal. Okay, now let's go to the. Okay, now let's just enter npm run dev. This is the what command for starting the server. So just simply O and enter. Okay. So as you can see, my home page now registration page I have done. Okay, and today I will implement the login page. Okay, so let's go to our code and let's get implement. So I have built already login just for the page, but let's enter now all the logical parts. So the first thing, let's create first HTML like the layout, the UI. Okay, so for that, okay, I have also used here Chakra UI. So I will use here first flags. Okay, and inside that I will use box. Okay, and after that inside this I will use the form tag. Okay, and then I will use here. Okay, I will use here simple grid for maintaining the uh, good UI. Okay, and then okay, let me just remove this and wrap it like this. Okay, and inside this let me create a input. Also I will add it from the Chakra UI only. There is a two input, email and the password. Okay. So let me add just email. So placeholder, email. Also let's add type equal to email only. Then same as for password only. So let me add quickly password. Then here password. Okay, so this is the basic thing I had done. Also, I have make it flex because of I want to this login component or login form should be in the center of the page. Okay, so I can do using the just this flex only. Justify content center and align contents, align items. Okay, align items would be center, and also let me view width as 100 view width. Okay, the width of the web page and the height. Let me give 70 only. Okay, so it will take 70, and then inside that, so now this box will come the center of the page, and now let me add this box as a some CSS like box shadow. Box shadow, for example, let me add Excel. What is this? Okay, let me add as a Excel. Then box shadow is done. Let's give some padding. For padding like 10. Okay, so it would be now come. It will be good. I think I'm imaging. Also, let's give here something gap 5 gap. It would like very more. Let's give it a 3. Okay, now let's go to our. Okay, now you can see exact it is a center of the page, and also now let's add the heading and the button. Okay, so let's add button. Okay, button from the Chakra UI only, and for example login. Also let's give us some width to this box. I would like to give width 40% for now. It is very big much, so let me add 30%. Yeah, it is good enough. And I want to give a color scheme to this button, blue. Yeah, blue is looking professional. Yeah, now good. And let's add a heading here. Heading already imported. Okay, so let me just add heading. Login page. Okay, simply login I can write, and also I can write welcome back. Welcome back. Okay. Yeah, it is looking good. But let me increase little bit more the box shadow. Yes, now it is looking great. So the UI is done in just a few minutes, I can say. And you can say I have to not give. Normally, I don't give any label because the placeholders say itself which kind of this input we have to fill. Okay, so I will not going to take the labels. Okay, now let's handle it using the use statement. Okay, so very first thing is I have to make a use state const like login data. Let's credentials, some good name. Credentials and set credentials. Okay, credentials equal to use state. Use state. Okay, it should be auto imported. Yeah, it is imported. And inside I will be make an object, and object for one is for email. Initially it will be on blank only, and then I would like to add password only. Okay, so also make sure it should be Sam, whatever I have done for the backend. So I will check it when I will do execute request. Okay, so it is done. So my target is for now do the at least console out whatever we are typing at the form. Okay, so now it is done. So now let's add here on change. Okay, let me do on change. For example, this handle change. Okay, so Sam as let's go here and add. Okay, I am going to take a Sam only function, and let's add here const control V equal to E for the event. Then so I want to get the value and the name. Value comma name. Okay, so event dot target will target that element of the HTML whatever we have give that give this handle controller, event controller, sorry. And then we have to also give name as it is whatever give inside the use state. Okay, so also I'm going to add name equal to email only, email. Okay, Sam to Sam, and also here name equal to password only. Okay, name equal to password only. So now it is done. So now whenever someone click or someone will enter here anything, like, so I will do here previous data. I will first handle the previous data, and then I will go with new data. So first handle the previous data. This is what the syntax to handle the previous data, and the whatever name. I have to write inside the box notation. Why? Because after using box notation, it will be take dynamic key. Okay, it will be take dynamic key. This is the very basic of object. Okay, so I have take name, and then the value itself value only. Okay, value itself value only. Okay, and let's make the submit type to the button time equal to submit. Okay, and then here at the form on submit handle submit. Okay, and just go here and do console out. Okay, so first we have to handle the default behavior of form. So for that, simply just do don't predefine and just let me just console out the whatever things will be stored in this credential. So let me do for debugging. Let me add a string credentials, and let me add here credentials. Okay, so I hope now it will be work properly. So let me go here and let's open this inspect console, and let me add here. Okay, let me add this much. Okay, e dot target is not iterable. Okay, e dot, okay, so I have to give in an object. Okay, because e dot target a dot value dot name we will get in object form. Okay, so let me do refresh and let's do again. Okay, now let me do. Now, yes, you can see no error is there. So my mistake is there. I have to here that array bracket, like box bracket, but I have to use here curly braces because this e dot target is the not array, is the it is the object. Okay, so my bad. And then let me do console, like do login. So you can see whatever I have typed here, ev.hall.racing and the password Citislika. So I have done successfully this login page, but I have also like, okay, exit request please remain. So exit request I will do in my later videos. So how you have liked my video, and what is my how is my this my content. Yeah, my English is a little bit not as much good. So also via this content I am practicing for my English only. So just suggest me whatever you want. Also, I will make it responsive. For now, I am not going with UI. I will first implement the features, and then I will go with the UI, good UI. Also, we will change. I will change this navbar, and I will change the UI of this login register. Okay. So in the next video, I will make the XUS request, and also I will upload it on the GitHub. Okay, so you can access it. Okay, so this is what for today. I hope it is informative, and so just suggest me what if you have some suggestion. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Stay connected with me.